Last week we learned all about colors. This week we are going to learn animal names. You saw lots of animals on last week's pictures, so we will see if you have learned those alongside the colors. Let's take a look at some of the animals we saw last week. These are the most popular animals where I live in England: dog, cat, and rabbit. Let's break that down and practice each one. This is a dog. 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 Now you try. Did you get it? Dog. Now let's look at the cat. 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 Now you try. Did you get it? Cat. Now let's try rabbit. 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 Now you try. Did you get it? Rabbit. Match the animal to the picture. Did you get it? If not, don't worry, just keep practicing. This is a spider graph. These are all animals. You will see 4 new animals: horse, sheep, cow and goat. This is a horse. Horse. This is a sheep. Sheep. This is a cow. Cow. These are goats. Goat. Let's look at some funny animals. They really make me laugh. All the animals we have looked at so far are domestic animals. The horse, sheep, cows and goats live on a farm. Whereas dogs, cats and rabbits live in your home. They make wonderful, loving friends. These are all wild animals. These all live in the jungle. Monkey, giraffe, elephant, hippo, tiger, lion and zebra. Let's take a look at them one by one. This is a monkey. Monkey. You try. Monkey. This is a zebra. Zebra. You try. Zebra. This is a lion. Lion. You try. Lion. This is a tiger. Tiger. You try. Tiger. This is a hippopotamus but normally called a hippo. Hippo. You try. Hippo. This is an elephant. Elephant. You try. Elephant. This is a giraffe. Giraffe. You try. Giraffe. All of these animals live in the jungle. There are many more to learn, but we will look at some more next week. We will finish this week with a story about the animals we have looked at today.
Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there existed a magical farm where dogs, cats, rabbits, and various farm animals lived harmoniously alongside majestic jungle creatures. This extraordinary place was known as Harmony Haven. At Harmony Haven, The dogs were the protectors and caretakers of the smaller animals. The cats were skilled hunters, keeping the rodent population in check, and the rabbits were expert gardeners, ensuring the farm's fields bloomed with colorful flowers and bountiful vegetables. Among the farm animals, the horse named Starlight was admired for her grace and strength. She carried the farm's owner, Mr. Jenkins, whenever he needed to tend to his crops or visit nearby villages. The sheep, goats, and cows were great friends, enjoying the lush green pastures and providing the farm with milk, wool, and delicious cheese. One sunny day, a group of adventurous jungle animals discovered Harmony Haven during a trek through the dense forest. There were Leon, the wise lion, and his fierce friend Raja, the brave tiger. Ella, the gentle elephant, and Grace, the elegant giraffe, were never far apart. Hugo, the hefty hippo, and a mischievous bunch of monkeys completed the group. Curiosity brought the jungle animals closer to the farm, and they were amazed by the organized unity among the animals. Leon, being a natural leader, decided to approach the farm's residents and learn more about their ways. As the jungle animals mingled with the farm animals, they exchanged stories and experiences. They discovered that despite their differences, they all had common desires: to live peacefully, care for each other, and share the land's bounties. Leon and Raja offered to teach the dogs and cats some self-defense techniques, while Ella and Grace shared their knowledge of medicinal plants and their healing properties with the rabbits and other animals. Hugo, with his love for water, decided to help the farm animals build a more efficient irrigation system. The monkeys, known for their playful nature, brought joy to the entire farm with their amusing antics, and they even helped the rabbits by spreading seeds in the fields. Days turned into weeks, and the bond between the jungle animals and the farm animals grew stronger. The farm flourished, and the jungle animals found a second home in Harmony Haven. In return for their new friends' kindness, the jungle animals protected the farm from any potential threats. One fateful day, a heavy storm hit the land, and the farm faced its greatest challenge yet. The river overflowed, and the crops were in danger of being washed away. The farm animals and jungle animals joined forces to build sandbags and create a makeshift dam to divert the water away from the fields. Their collaboration and determination prevailed, and the farm was saved from the flood's destruction. The animals cheered, celebrating the triumph of unity and friendship. From that day forward, Harmony Haven became a symbol of cooperation and camaraderie. The farm animals and jungle animals continued to work together, sharing their knowledge, skills, and love. And so the magical farm thrived, filled with laughter, joy, and the spirit of togetherness that forever echoed through its green fields and vibrant forests.
I really hope you enjoyed today's lesson and the story. See you next week.